5 Best Mop for Vinyl Floors Reviews. Number 1. Bona Stone Tile, Laminate and Vinyl Floor Spray Mop. Bona Stone, Tile and Laminate Floor Premium Spray Mop is a complete cleaning package which can be used to clean the floors very quickly and without any hassle. The mop is very light to lift, about 5.2 pounds, which makes it very light and convenient to use. It is very thin, and the handle is just the right height so that you do not have to lean forward too much while cleaning. The mop is slim and sleek and designed for eliminating the gripping problem that other mops have. The product comes with pads and cleaning solution to clean and leaves no residue. Also, its cleaning solution will keep giving a cleaner look of the floor for a long time. The solution used with the mop is of neutral pH, hence, it is not harmful to the floors or the skin either. The solution that Bona provides is GreenGuard Gold certified especially for indoor use, which indicates that it is hazard-free and Number 2. Turbo Microfiber Cleaning System. Turbo Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System is an eco-friendly, less expensive, and convenient form of cleaning solution. It is a complete answer to people who are looking for a multi-purpose mop. The mop is made with aluminum, which has an adjustable handle and is extremely lightweight. Since the handle of the mop can be adjusted, it is perfect for anyone to use, be it an adult or a kid or even for a person with mobility problems. For some, cleaning the hard-to-reach areas are the worst kind of punishment they can face. But the head of the mop can rotate 360 degrees, which makes it easier to clean the corners which are usually very hard to reach. It comes with 2 cleaning pads which can be reused up to 100 times. So you won't need to buy them anytime soon. Number 3. Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop. The Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop is durable and lightweight at the same time. There is a 54-inch metal trigger with a plastic handle at the top end and a soft grip in the middle that you can comfortably hold onto during cleaning. The plastic gives the handle further flexibility to turn towards different directions. The 15-inch cleaning head is much broader than a standard mop head. It allows it to cover the higher surface of the floors per swipe. It is much efficient and less time-consuming than other mops. It requires a minimal solution to clean the entire house, so there is minimum wastage. You pull the trigger at the top to spray a sufficient amount of any solution and wipe it away without even drenching the floors. Moreover, there is no need to get your hands dirty at all. The metal handle is long enough to make a wide area accessible from where you are standing. Number 4. JINCLEAN 24 inches Industrial Class Cotton Floor Mop. JINCLEAN Industrial Class Cotton Floor Map is a perfect tool to clean any place or any floor, be it your office or garage, tile, vinyl floor or laminate. It makes cleaning super easy and convenient. The height of the mop can be up to 5.9 inches, hence, no bending is required. Moreover, long handle makes cleaning corner easier and makes the spots like under the bed or sofa easy to reach. The pad is made of cotton and is very wide. It is about 24 by 11 inches in dimension, which make cleaning extremely convenient. It can clean a larger quite quickly. Additionally, the pad is easy to wire as well. The mop doesn't require any cleaner or chemical to clean. Use water to clean, so you or any of your family member is safe from exposure to any chemicals. Number 5. Super Absorbent Microfiber Mop. Super Absorbent Microfiber Mop sweeps dust from all types of floor conveniently. That too, without leaving any single stripes of dirt. It has a long adjustable handle up to 60 inches, which makes it easier to clean for any height of people. It is extremely slim and has a firm and comfortable grip. The head of the mop is rotatable, as a result it can be used to clean corners of the house. Moreover, the rotating head makes cleaning under the bed, sofa, chair, and table very convenient and straightforward. All you need to do is to stick the pad to the Velcro strip, and they don't move while sweeping. It is washable and can be washed in a machine as well. The mop is suitable to use on marble, laminate floors, pergo, tile, marble stone, and other types of floor.